rally car. There's so much different rally cars in the past. This was just rear-wheel drive only, a 1983 Renault 5 Turbo. Tour de Course, the Group B car. Andrew Cooper's driving this. It was the first elevation. I'll tell you one star, he gets me excited. So this is built by John Prince, a Renault 5 Turbo. I can't hear myself think. Right, we now go on. As I said, the rally where create so many different cars of shapes and sizes. We've now got an RS200. This was the last of the Group B rally cars before they were sadly banned. Obviously they got faster and faster and more dangerous. This is a 1986 Ford RS200 Evo. This car was actually bought as a road car, and Steve Harris found it in a barn in bits before the man had finished converting it. So he put it back to rally spec, and now he's handed it over to the famous rallycross man, Durand Motorsport. It's now a full rallycross machine, 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. Let's see it. So that's a road car, became a rally car, and then became a rally cross car. Moving on now, 1989 Toyota Celica Estes or Group A. So this was the sort of category that followed after those amazing Group B cars that were so crazy. This is a four-wheel drive rally car, it's a fourth generation Toyota Celica, completed extensively in 89 and early 90s, a lot of rallies, and it's a wonderful win, driven by George Anderson.
No, I don't know. There's no way I'm going to pick you up.
And now one of my absolute favourites. It was a weird looking car, and yet somehow we all loved it. This is the Lancia Delta Integrale Group A car. Of course with Group A they had to build 2,500 road cars or something, so we had some wonderful road going options. I always remember the Martini colours, it looked so good in those colours. This is Tim Broxton's car, a Group A rally car prepared for Per Eclipse rally team. Competes the 1992 Swedish rally, driven by Torsten Paul. Now driven by its owner, Tim Broxton. I think it's even got Swedish narrow tyres that have, nice and snow, they have such narrow tyres. We've got Nissan Sunny, moved on from 1992, not moved on back one year, 1991, same generation. This was the sort of Formula 2 era. And this is like a front-wheel drive Nissan Sunny GTI R. It's an original works car, one of 3 Group A cars built from 91 to 92. I don't know what number plate it's got, but the number plate's not on it, because there were only 2, J5 NME and J2 NME. And Nissan. J2 NME, which is the car driven by Stig Blomqvist. A favourite now, the whale-tailed Ford Escort Group A car. This one is L11 PRC, this is Mark McLennan's car, built in 1993 by Malcolm Wilson Motorsport, the M Sport company, of course, who now runs so many different things. And this is driven by Rod Menzies. The car competed as a competitive rally car in the 1993 and 94 Network Q RAC Rally. A wonderful Ford Escort. The colour scheme on that car is actually a livery of the 1994 Monte Carlo Rally winner François Delacour. Another Toyota. This now belongs to the four-wheel drive ST185 Group A cars again. This is a Group A rally car, period livery, the 1992 RAC Rally, where it was co-driven by Jari Matti and Luckfuller in a rally day in 2017. So Jari Matti's been in and not crashed it, which is quite surprising actually. Anyway, Toyota Celica. Popping and banging. And next up. Vauxhall Astrodos, Brits, but they're Opels obviously in Germany. Another Group A car, this period of Group A's when there was so much variety. This is Tony Shields' car, full work specification, 2-litre Group A. He got it from Holland about 5 years ago, rallies in Belgium, the Isle of Man, and there's regular hill climb events that are organised by the Rally Route 22, who organise these wonderful collection of cars and done such a great job for us. So Group A, front wheel drive spinning this time. And back to four-wheel drive, and another of these wonderful, I mean, I just love this hearing. There were so many people who could buy these as a privateer, you could do competitive rallying. The Group A Ford Escorts, this is John Peck's car. Mike Taylor developed Escort Cosworth, these wonderful Bastos colours, the famous Belgian sponsors that spent so much time in rallying. To me, this is just a perfect Group A rally car. Of course, after Group A, we moved on to the WRC cars, and the Subaru Impreza was, of course, one of the leading proponents of the WRC. They were sort of first to get the car going really well. This car is actually one of the last of the 3 customer cars that were ever built. It was rallied, it went out to Polish, it was rallied by Krzysztof Holowicz. And this actual car won the 1997 European Championship with Krzysztof driving. And as soon as you get one Subaru, you get more, because it was such a popular car. Great customer cars again, and of course this is in the works factory colours. This is Martin Spurrell's car, built by ProDrive for the Subaru World Rally Championship campaign in its first year to these new World Rally car regulations. Classic wide-bodied. Colin McRae actually drove this car in 3 championship rallies in 1997 and won the RAC rally with this very car, so quite a special car. Let's see it released again in Colin's memory. You get one, you get another. They're like buses. Subaru Imprezas, these amazing factory colours. This is Will Nichols' ProDrive 1999 World Rally car. This car was actually driven by Juha Kankkunen to first overall in the 1999 Finland Rally. The working competitors for Subaru, and of course Colin McRae didn't stay at Subaru because he moved, here we go, to the Ford World Rally Championship. He drove this Ford Focus World Rally car, it's owned by Graham Sherry now, a genuine Colin McRae car that was used by him in the 2001 Rally Portugal. About 4 works drivers have actually rallied this car, so it's a very famous car with a lot of heritage.
All the P100s, we're all like,
Now most people go a bit boring, just buy a Subaru Supra and a Ford Focus or a Ford Focus. This is a rather wager. Abby Mahmoud has found this in France, and this is what the French were doing a lot of rallying in, real sort of the tarmac rallies, tight and twisted. This is a 2004 Renault Clio Maxi S1600 that in 2013 moved to a 2-litre engine, tarmac specialist rally, front wheel drive, and quite a special car to see here. Great to have it at Salon Privé. How does that ever work? I mean, it just doesn't work really. It works in a straight line. I can't believe that. We've got to pause, I can breathe. That's a good idea.